Greetings to all who joined with us this morning. I'm pleased to extend a warm welcome on behalf of the organizing committee of Government College of Engineering, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu, for this faculty development program on stress management. Stress has become a much used word in our community nowadays. Not only adults but also youngsters and kids have started to get acquainted to this word stress. We can very well say that stress has become the buzzword of the year 2021, most probably due to the onset of the pandemic. Many initiatives were taken to overcome this stress, which is felt in all the arenas of education. Stress is common among students and it can cause adverse mental and physical side effects if left unaddressed. Stress is just one of the many hurdles that college students experience. Short-term stress can help learners to raise a grade or pursue a coveted career opportunity. However, long-term stress is, if not addressed, can have detrimental side effects. If not addressed, can have detrimental side effects. With the prime motive of helping the educators devise strategies that can help the student community at large, AICTE et al. Has sponsored such stress management program to enhance and equip the educators. Now, I would like to invite Dr. A. Krishnaveni, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Government College of Engineering, Tirunelveli, to deliver the welcome address and provide an overview of the FDP. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Happy morning to all of you. First and foremost, I would like to thank the God Almighty for giving me this opportunity to conduct the 5 days online FDP. Next, I thank AICTE Atal Academy officials for their approval and financial support in conduct of this FDP. I am very glad to welcome our respected Principal Dr. P. Lata, Government College of Engineering, Tirunelveli, for gracefully accepting our invitation for delivering presidential address. As a person, she is very cordial and a source of inspiration to all of us in our institution. Also, she supported and facilitated in all aspects to organize the program delightfully. I welcome you, ma'am. I welcome our today's guest speaker, Professor Dr. Muruganandam Ponnusamy, Deputy Registrar, Indian Institute of Information Technology, Kalyani, West Bengal. He is a highly enriched resource person. In this moment, from the bottom of my heart, I would like to record my thanks to the Professor for immediately accepting our invitation. I once again welcome you, Professor.
Thank you, madam.
A warm welcome to the heads of Department of Government College of Engineering, various other invited resource persons, members of faculty of host institutions, and delegates from various universities, engineering colleges, polytechnic colleges, hospital and research institutes, arts and science colleges, school and industries across the country. As a coordinator, it is a pleasure to give an overview about this FDP.
Now it's time to listen to the presidential address of Dr. P. Lata, Principal, Government College of Engineering, Tirunelveli. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. First of all, good morning to all. On behalf of Government College of Engineering, Tirunelveli, I welcome one and all for this 5 days FDP stress management. First of all, we should thank the AICTE Atal officials for granting the financial assistance, and really we should thank Dr. Krishnaveni ma'am, the coordinator of this function, for making all the arrangements. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, I welcome all the subject experts, those who are going to deliver the stress management program. Next, I welcome all the participants. Really, we feel very happy to share that it's really a national program, because The participants are going to be from Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka, Haryana, Maharashtra, Karnataka, like that. Really, we are happy to welcome all participants. Next, we can say that this program is an intercollaborative or interdisciplinary, means really it's one, because variety of titles, variety of resource persons, doctors and professors are going to deliver the lectures, and also variety of participants. So all this combination will make this program really a grand success. Let's hope we'll have a really, all our stress will be burst out after this program. We'll have a review, we'll have a proper advice and proper schedule from the resource persons how to solve the stress. And regarding the stress, as Madam told, this is going to be the short-term stress or long-term stress, and even it is going to be a problem-oriented stress. So all the stress, we have to find the reason for the stress. If it is going to be if you're going to analyze that, means it's done, it may be done by means of the proper improper timing, improper environments like that. So if you are managing the time and if you are managing our health properly, means we hope all our stress will be reduced. And really in the previous ancestors, we have the programs like Deepavali and Pongal, all this, there are. Ma'am, is it audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, is it audible?
Now it is okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, is it audible now?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Proceed, ma'am.
Yes. I had a phone call. Okay, ma'am. So this short-term stress, we can just by means of having a walk and just by means of having a small nap and eating the sweets like that, it may be reduced. And long-term stress, if you're going to have the proper balanced diet and if you're doing the yoga like that, that may be reduced. And problematic stress means that is according to whether it is in the environment, official environment, or if are in the school or the students, and that is to be reduced. That stress should be reduced by means of the proper ways that we have to handle. On the whole, we have how to manage the stress. It is going to be in this 1 week. This 1 week, we are going to have a variety of resource persons to solve the stress management. So I wish a grand success for this 1 week program to have a smooth and enriched way of making the stress management as a successful. So once again, I welcome all of you for this 1 week program. I joined with Krishnaveni ma'am to have a successful program on this 1 week stress management. Okay, ma'am?
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of encouragement and motivation and inputs with regard to stress and the methods to bust it out during this current scenario.
Thank you.
Before we start the session, I would like to invite Mrs. Angeline Jeba, CSE Department, Government College of Engineering, Tirunelveli, to introduce the resource person of the day to us.
Good morning, all. I am pleased to introduce the resource person of the day, Dr. Muruganandam Ponnaswamy. He is working as a Deputy Registrar, Indian Institute of Information Technology, Kalyani, Nadia, West Bengal. He is one of the subject experts and resource persons of National Board of Accreditation NBA and an approved valuer, machinery and plant mechanical engineering, and a chartered engineer. He is holding 2 international innovative awarded patent and 5 Indian patent journal publications, which includes improvement of trivial and secure IoT device management and eliminating security issues in IoT using blockchain. He has mentored more than 80 faculty development programs in outcome-based education. He is a recipient of APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University's OBE FDP funding. He has actively participated in peace engineering, World Engineering Education Forum, Global Engineering Deans Council, WEEF GDE 2020 virtually. He is an active member in American Society for Engineering Education, ASEE. He has an ambitious research interest in renewable solar energy resources, autonomous vehicles, and engineering education, in addition to the emerging technology of IoT and blockchain. He has acquired international certified career coach level 1 certification from Career Development Alliance USA. He is serving as a National Executive Council member for Indian Society for Technical Education, ISTE. He is nominated by AICTE to serve as Margdarshak mentor to engineering colleges to streamline the SOPs to acquire NBA. He is also selected as Program Evaluator Candidate, PEVC, of the Accreditation Board of Engineering and Technology, ABET International Corporation, Baltimore, USA. This is the 67th expert level talk session in AICTE TechCube FDP during this pandemic. We are pleased to have him with us as the resource person for today's
by way of compensation up to 1 crore. But for my knowledge, not even a single case filed in our country till the date. Maybe anyone knows, you please share in the chat box. Very strong act in our country. It's clearly mentioning, it's clearly enabled, but it is not known by most of us. This is what I said, the communication, right? Communication to the consumers is not in a flow. Or we individuals are not interested to know what is happening. Again, I can refer the Kubler-Ross principle, ADKAR principle, Lewin. Always be as a respectful person, but be yourself. You should have patience and away from the distractions. Be an empathic person. Be a person which have more confidence. Learn how to talk less and do more. Experts and researchers are identified. These characteristics are all comes under social scales. I listed around 18, but not limited with this 18. This can be perished more than 30, 40 numbers. But I am sure
I welcome you all for this Day 2 Faculty Development Program on Stress Management, sponsored by AICTE et al. And coordinated by Government College of Engineering, Tirunelveli. I would now like to invite Dr. A. Krishnaveni, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, to introduce the resource person of the day to us. Over to you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I am pleased to introduce the resource person for the second day of FDP on stress management. She is Dr. Sherin Zafar, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, School of Engineering Sciences and Technology, Jamia Hamdard University, New Delhi. She has got a decade of successful experience in teaching and research management. She specializes in wireless networks, soft computing, and network security, data visualization, design thinking, machine learning, and much more. She also has great profile in Scopus, Mendeley, Google Scholar, ResearchGate, and Babylons. She has about half century of papers published in Scopus, SCI and peer-reviewed journals, and double century of papers reviewed. She is in the editorial board and is the editor-in-chief of many reputed and Scopus indexed journals. She has a published patent and one patent granted under her name. Co-principal investigator for FIST project of DST and principal investigator for completed project for Udant Bharat Abhiyan. Being a strong believer in the power of positive thinking in the workplace, Dr. Sherin regularly develops internships and career campaigns for students through Internsala and Epoch groups and guided huge number of graduates, postgraduate and PhD students. Dr. Sherin has been session chair for 7+ international conferences, keynote speaker, resource person for 50+ webinars, and FDPs for renowned institutions AICTE, STTP, and for AICT Atal FDP. Really, we are proud to be here as a resource person, ma'am. We are indeed glad to have here with us this day. Without further delay, I hand over the session.
Between the family and the responsibilities, you need to understand that it's important to overcome those stresses in a beautiful way in order to specify that equilibrium or that stress level doesn't go higher. So the ultimate goal is specified is to make your life more healthier, more happier, more productive. And many of time we talk about balanced life. So that balanced life should be a life which is a life which has work, which has relationship, which has relaxation. And it's important to understand that experiment. So these are kind of techniques and programs in order to reduce and minimize the effects of stress. And from 2008, the Gale Encyclopedia in Medicine have focused a lot because this was the year where a lot of stress-related issues happened in many of the people. Because as I told you that 10 or 12 years back when we were talking about, we were more into the society where the stresses were left little less. But bringing that online market into the scenario, or bringing those more competitions into the market, or more bunch of exercises in terms of seeing people and comparing your stress came into the market a lot. So there's a requirement of stress management also. And actually what is stress is like a psychological, physiological, behavioral response by an individual, remember, by an individual. And when they perceive the lack of... Let's check this small video.
Welcome to Mindfulness Animated, a fun and helpful explanation. The brain has evolved so greatly that it spends much of its time solving problems that haven't yet occurred in the future, thus leading to anxiety or panic, and mulling over events in the past, leading to depression. Often it does both all the time. The question is, how can we make our brain stop and think about only the present, the state we are in, when we are in the zone or in the moment? Mindfulness is derived from the Eastern meditation, a practice of for thousands of years recognized to help humans control and tame our brains. Research has shown that
Day 3 session 1 will be on stress management in teaching and learning process. I would like to invite Dr. Krishnaveni, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Government College of Engineering, Tirunelveli, to introduce the resource person to us. Over to you, ma'am. Ma'am?
Oh. I deem it a privilege to introduce today's resource person, Dr. K. Jayakumar, Principal of SCAD College of Engineering and Technology, Cheran Magadevi, Tirunelveli, and General Manager, Planning and Development of SCAD Group of Institutions. He is an inspiring educationalist, a motivational speaker, and a social activist. He backs a total of 23 plus years of experience in teaching in higher education, including 10 plus years in administration. He has made significant contributions in research. He has published over 25 plus paper publications in international and national journals and has also been a reviewer of journals. He has delivered about 15 plus guest lectures in many noteworthy forums, which include lectures in AICTE, FDPs, IEEE, IE, MSME, CII, BNI forums, schools and colleges. He has participated in 35 plus seminars, trainings and workshops, and he has organized 25 plus seminars, trainings and workshops, and has also acted as a consultant for 3 plus companies. His area of interest are quality engineering and management, teaching, learning and pedagogy, optimization tools and techniques, life management skills, Lean and Six Sigma. He is also an active member of many organizations. We are indeed pleased to have with us today.
Out of which there are 4 major types, which is time stress, anticipatory stress, situational stress, and positive stress. So let us move on to that stress. This stress, how it has been affected in certain ways. This stress will have an impact around us in certain elements. It will affect our body, our mind, and behavior and the emotions. So these are the major 4 elements which has been affected by means of this type of stresses. So in the previous slide, we have been seeing about the major types of stress. Of course, the stress is not limited to these 4 elements. These are all the major type of stress. This stress will influence us to have this type of side effects, which will affect in body, mind, behavior, and the emotions.
Or multiple stress. So single stress. If you go in a road, we met with an accident, that became a stress. Sometimes the divorce is maybe a single stress. Or if you are developing an illness, you are diagnosed as diabetes, or you are diagnosed, you are having a hypertension. So these are the single stress. Some people have a multiple stress. Along with this physical illness, you have a death of the loud persons or important people, then you have a loss of job, you have a financial problem. If you have a multiple problems, then it is called a multiple stress. Then there may be a recurrent stress or continuous stress. Recurrent stress means some people used to get a stress again and again. For example, if you take a seasonal loss. So whenever, for example, farmers, every rainy season they lost their harvesting things. So the seasonal loss, some people.
And you may be seeing in the slide the major types of stress. Here we have one type, frustration. No? Frustration is something a blocked goal. You may have set some goals in your life. So when it is blocked, so a candidate has planned to go to the US to pursue studies, and due to COVID, everything is blocked and it is postponed, and we don't know, it is postponed indefinitely. That is a frustration. So that's a blocked goal. And conflict. So what is a conflict? That is something happening within us. So it is something going on. The conflict, it will be interpersonal conflict also, person-to-person conflict. That is different. So it occurs within us. So in intrapersonal conflict, it is very important. In psychology, it's very important in creating a stress. We have to.
I would like to invite Dr. A. Krishnaveni ma'am to introduce the resource person. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm elated to introduce the resource person of today's session, Dr. R. Victor, Associate Professor and Associate Dean of Training and Placement of Research Department of Management Studies in Bishop Heber College, Tiruchirappalli. He has got an All India Bronze Medal in Diploma in Rail Transport Economics Management. He has published 19 national and 13 international research papers. He has also published life skills course book for undergraduates of all disciplines. Dr. R. Victor Lazarus has won the All India Best NCC Cadet Award and Tamil Nadu Government Merit Scholarship for being an outstanding NCC cadet. We are proud of you, sir. He is a member of Board of Studies in 10 colleges and Vice Chancellor nominee for 3 colleges. He is a national trainer in 21 different government and public sectors and visiting professor for more than 75 colleges in Tamil Nadu. He has also acted as a guide for MBA students of IGNOU, New Delhi and Pondicherry University, and MDA, MPhil and PhD scholars of Bharatidasan University. He has also been the academic counselor for IGNOU and Pondicherry University. He has been the mentor for student-centered activities at Bishop Heber since 2014. We are glad to have him with us today. Over to you, sir.
This is called doctor's prescription for management techniques. They say relax, do some exercise, have some diet control. Sir, I think you all work for engineering colleges. After 4 years, they give the students a degree. My question for all of you, there are 90 participants except me. Taking an engineering degree, BE mechanical, BE civil, BE ECE, BE computer science, BE IT, BE mechatronics, BE whatever, electronics and instrumentation, whatever degree, whatever engineering degree. Suppose the engineering candidate after 4 years of his study takes the engineering degree and pledges in a bank, say for example State Bank of India or Punjab National Bank, any nationalized bank. He takes the degree certificate, goes to a bank and say, keep my degree certificate, give me use. Preventive measure, they say you have to take these tablets, take these methodologies of removing your stress. That's what every doctor say. You have to go for a walk, a quick walk, a deep breathing, chew chocolates or gums. They tell you thousands of materials. But I have taken the stress preventive measures of applying the stress that we have got in our professionalism. So my thought of preventive measures is little different from what a real doctor on a clinic can tell us. So I have typed some, I'm going to type again in the chat box for the benefit of people who are joined a little late. I have typed 1, I have typed 2, and I have typed 4. This is called 1, 2, 4 concept.
Process of focusing your attention and awareness on the present moment. Whatever you do, whether you are painting, drawing, cooking, eating, drinking tea or coffee, or teaching, playing with your child, whatever you do, are you doing it with complete presence of mind, complete involvement in that is the most important question. Why? Because study after study says today we are in a distracted world. When you are doing something very deep enough, imagine this, you are doing some report or a presentation or some article for some reason. You're working on something on a very deep level. When somebody in fact disturbs you and you get distracted, you turn this side, you answer and then come back. The study says when you get distracted, it takes minimum of 10 to 12 minutes to come back to the same level of attention focus. Every distraction will derail your focus levels. You can't go back to focus again.
A very pleasant good morning, and I welcome you all for this Day 5 Faculty Development Program on Stress Management, sponsored by AICTE et al. And coordinated by Government College of Engineering, Tirunelveli. Day 5, Session 1 is on stress for stress through yoga and naturopathy. I would like to invite Dr. A. Krishnaveni ma'am, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Government College of Engineering, Tirunelveli, to introduce the resource person to us. Over to you, ma'am.
I am pleased to introduce the resource person of the day, Mr. S. Ayyappan, Diploma in Yoga and Naturopathy, MSc MD. He is the founder and chief yoga instructor in Andiyappan Yogalayam, Tenkasi. He has rendered his service as a yoga instructor as Asana Andiyappan College of Yoga and Research Center, Chennai. And at present, he is working as a yoga instructor at St. John's Higher Secondary School, Veeravanallur, Tirunelveli, and Good Shepherd Higher Secondary School, Tirunelveli. He has actively participated in several events like lecture demonstration in 17th International Yoga Festival at Pondicherry, an excellent demonstration 22nd National Yoga Championship in Chennai, and International Online Yoga Conference in the year 2021 at Tenkasi. He is conferred Yoga Kalaimamani and Yoga Ratna for his achievements in yoga. We are proud of you, sir. We are pleased to have him as a resource person for this final day of FDP. I hand over the session to you, sir.
Not too much pause. 1, 2, this is also long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this. 20 counts, stay in this pose for 20 seconds and then relax. Repeated for 3 times. This helps for cervical and stress busting. The second one, same stress and back pain. Stress and back pain. Watch me very carefully. The same Bhujangasana. I'm keeping palms under my shoulder and I'm lifting my body without bending my elbow. I'm not bending my elbow. I'm straightening my elbow at the same time. My heels and toes together. I'm not opening my legs. This is the wrong thing.
If you want a mindset of a teenager, if you want your stress to be completely burned out, you can perform this excellent Pankaja Mudra. So we will ask our participants in our trainer in our class who are taking training. There will be some 50 to 100 persons. We will take a photograph in the mid-afternoon. After food, we will ask them to do mudras. Before that, we will take a photograph. And after completing this mudra for 15 minutes, we will take a photograph. I'm having so many photographs like that. So after 15 minutes, before 15 minutes, everybody will be sitting straight, erect, very straight. They will be thinking.
GC Tirunelveli, to thank the coordinator and our principal. Good afternoon, one and all. I thank our beloved principal, Dr. P. Lata ma'am, for her kind patronage in this program. And I would like to thank my friend and my colleague, Dr. Krishnaveni ma'am. We together studied BE and working together in this institution. So I take my privilege to give my applause to her because she's already very sincere in every activity. So it has been proven. So the hard work and the effort put forth by her for the last 4 months, now she is reaping that happiness. So you could able to see her, that in her face. So I would also like to join with her at this moment to share this happiness. So it's my privilege to have such a great friend. And also I thank every resource person. So because everyone, they did their role properly. Every activity was very useful for us, right from the day 1 to day 5. So everything is highly correlated with the theme of the FDP. So with these words, I appreciate once again my friend Dr. Krishnaveni ma'am for her effort and this creating this program a successful one. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Jabakari ma'am. Thank you so much for your comments.